In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Following that, enter your current screen lock and click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!